Hello, today we're going to prepare a delicious pork neck after a robber. As always, at the beginning, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. I encourage you to click the bell, then you will be up to date with my recipes. I'll present a list of the ingredients you need. The same list can be found in the description under the video. Under the video, I also add a link to the blog. To begin with, we will prepare the sauce for our pork neck. We need 3/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of mustard, you can choose any, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, and 4 cloves of garlic pressed through a press, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and mix everything together. Set the sauce aside for a while. Now we're going to prepare the pork neck. I've got a kilo of pork neck here, seasoned with salt, pepper and sweet paprika, cut into slices. I'm going to prepare this dish in a multifunctional device with the option of pressure cooking to make it faster. Of course, more perfect. But if you don't have such a device, you can do it. Traditionally, at the beginning, we will fry the pork neck. I also coated it in flour, now we will do it. Fry everything briefly in oil for about a minute. Fry each slice on each side anyway. Pork neck. After frying, I put it back in our device. My slices are quite thick. Now I'm putting the first layer of meat. Then we put in the vegetables. In my case, it will be mushrooms, pickles, taro, The ingredients are used in the description, of course under the video and my blog. I add half of the vegetables. In addition, I also prepared onions and peppers in 3 colors. We put the meat and the rest of the vegetables on top again. Finally, pour the prepared sauce over it all, close the device, set the pressure cooking option. I set it to 30 minutes because of those thick slices, but feel free to set it with thick slices for up to 25 minutes. I think it will be enough for the dish will be ready. So as you can see, this pot makes the meal faster to prepare. Additionally, we use less electricity than the oven because this device consumes about 5 times less energy than the hob, less than the oven uses. Additionally, we have this dinner quickly. It's delicious and juicy. Be sure to prepare it. Additionally, for this device, I have for you a discount of 10% with the password Culinary Adventures 10. You have a 10% discount in the Power of Juices store. Under the video, I have added a link to the store. There you will find more information about this device. And if you want to prepare the dish in the oven, because you don't have such a device, then of course bake it, covered for about an hour and a half. Or until the pork neck is tender, and this dish will also be successful, so be sure to prepare it because it's delicious. In my case, half an hour has already passed. I immediately release the pressure from the pot and will show you how the meat looks. I already have the vegetables, as you can see. They're soft here. They're not overcooked. I'll take out a piece of meat and show you what it looks like in cross-section, because you're always curious, and I don't always remember to show you all this. It looks beautiful. This sauce is brilliant overall. You have to try preparing it. See how well the meat falls apart. You should prepare it. It must be delicious. You have a link to the device underneath the video. Ingredients are also under the video. I wish you a wonderful day, and I invite you to watch more videos. Greetings.